To do an RTT call on Android, we're first going to go to the phone app and start a phone call. I'm using a Samsung Galaxy phone for this. If you're using a different Android phone, the menus and the buttons might look slightly different, but the main idea is the same. So I'll call someone and we'll wait for them to pick up. Once the call is connected, I can tap the three dots here for more settings, and then Start RTT Call is what we're choosing. The other person might get a pop-up on the screen for RTT, or they can tap the RTT button to open up that view. Or some phones will open it automatically. You'll see how anything I say gets transcribed in real time, because while you're in RTT mode, you can still talk to phone. I can mute myself, and after that, the transcriptions will stop. I'm actually just going to leave the mute button on so the transcriptions don't get too distracting. Now you'll see, as I type, the other person sees it in real time. So in RTT, there's no send button or anything like that, so anything I type during the call, it shows up in real time on the other person's phone. I can tap Done to clear the text input field and start fresh, but if you make typos and you go back and correct your words, the text gets revised in real time, and the other person sees everything you're seeing on your screen. So that's RTT in a nutshell. If I unmute myself, then the transcriptions will continue on the other phone, so you can either talk to the phone or you can just text. And this could be really useful if, for example, you're calling 911 and you're in a situation where you cannot talk out loud safely. You can just get the phone call connected and then use RTT and type. Another thing you can do, I'm going to go to the phone app and then tap the three dots up here, and I'll go to Settings. In the phone settings, you can go to Real-Time Text, and you can choose if that call button is visible during calls or always visible. Now that I set it to be always visible, you'll see how I can do a regular call, or I can directly start an RTT call from my phone app. You can also use an external TTY keyboard if you have one, and there's some other info here about RTT and how it works. Anyways, so that's how you make an RTT call on Android. Click that like button if this helped and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.